everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and welcome back to another tutorial. I have the lovely Bailey with me. She's had a little break but she's back for a crazy Christmas style. So we're going to go light, we're going to go daft, aren't we, Boo? Why not? It's the festive season, so let's get going. So to start this style, I am going to be doing a crown braid. You don't have to do this, you could just kind of put the hair into a ponytail if you wanted to. But me and Bales are doing a crown braid, so we're just going to do a Dutch braid. So I'm just going to take a section of hair here, break it into three. It's a Dutch braid, so the strands are going to be coming under the middle, under the middle, under the middle. I'm not adding in from this side yet, under the middle, and now I'm going to just add a section here. This one under the middle. Not adding in from this side yet, guys. Under the middle. Slicing that hair into the braids. And just keep bringing this braid over the top of the heads. Just adding it in. And then as we come round to the other side, I will start adding in on the right hand side as well. So now as I've come round to the other ear, I am going to start adding in from both sides. This braid doesn't have to be super neat, it's just a bit of fun. Just a normal Dutch braid. We're going to go round the neckline. So as I'm coming round the head, I'm still going to bring this braid up, guys. So it's really important that you start to angle your hands up this way. Otherwise the braid goes really baggy at this point. And then I'm just going to get this braid, guys, and just place it over the top like that. And we're just going to pin that into place. So I'm just going to make sure that there's no little bits popping out. I'm just going to make sure they're all pinned down, guys. So, guys, I went on Amazon and I bought some lights with batteries. Why not? So, showing Bales. So these are our little LED lights with a little tiny battery. We're going to put the little tiny battery in Bailey's hair and then we're going to switch it on. So let's go. You ready, Boo? So this is our little tiny flat battery. So I chose one that only had a little battery and I'm just going to kind of run my fingers through the back of this braid here and I'm just going to kind of push it in like so. Ta-da! Now this bit hasn't got any lights on, so I'm just going to kind of push that into the braids. Now I've got lights on, so I'm going to start now. This is my first little light here, and I think I kind of want to sit in at the front. So I'm just going to kind of take this and put a little hairpin there. I'm just going to start just winding this wire around the head, okay? All the way around. When I feel like it needs a bit of support, I'm just going to put a little grip in. So I'm trying to make sure, guys, that like that's one little light there and that's one there. So I'm trying to make sure that they don't like join up. I'm trying to like fill in the gaps as I'm sort of like placing these around the heads. And then I'm just gripping that last bit into place there. And then just for good measure, guys, we're going to do this again. So I'm just bringing this last one round. I'm hoping this is going to be super bright when we turn it on. Hopefully. You've still got your fidget toys, Bailey. Is anybody else's child absolutely mad on fidget toys, or is it just mine? This is from, who's it from, Bailey? Mrs. Bench? Yeah. Mrs. Bench's fidget toys are the best, according to Bailey. So I'm just going to go in really carefully, guys, and just turn these on. Ooh, that one's worked, Bill. And that one's waiting. Now we're going to turn the lights off so you can see properly. Oh, so pretty. I mean, come on guys, you tell me that this isn't adorable for Christmas. Who cares that you've got lights in your head, right, Boo?
Yeah.
You can totally pull this off. Should we do a spin? Yeah. So that is our video finished. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That's our crazy Christmas hair this year done. Let me know in the comments if you did like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again for another video. Bye.